Hey wheel enthusiasts and car lovers, ever wondered what's the real difference between steel and alloy wheels? Which one should you choose for your ride? Buckle up because we're about to dive deep into the world of wheels that can transform your driving experience. Imagine you're about to upgrade your car's wheels. You've got two contenders in the ring, the traditional steel warrior and the modern alloy challenger. By the end of this video, you'll be a wheel expert who can make the most informed decision for your vehicle. What makes these wheels different? Let's break down the fundamental differences. Steel wheels. These are the old-school champions, manufactured from an iron and carbon alloy. They've been the industry standard for decades. Picture a reliable workhorse that's been around since your grandpa's time. They're created through a stamping process, which keeps production costs low while maintaining serious durability. Alloy wheels. Enter the modern contender. Crafted from a mixture of aluminum or magnesium with other metals, these wheels are like the sports cars of the wheel world. Lighter, stronger, and with designs that can make your ride look absolutely stunning. The weight game, performance matters. Here's where things get interesting. Weight is the name of the game, and alloy wheels are crushing it. Weight difference. Alloy wheels are 30 to 40% lighter than steel wheels. We're talking about a difference of 5 to 15 pounds per wheel. Sounds small. Think again. Performance impact. Handling. Lighter wheels mean quicker steering response. Braking. Reduced stopping distances. Acceleration. Better throttle response. Fuel economy. Up to 3 to 5% improvement in city driving. The cost breakdown. Investment versus value. Let's talk money, because that's what really matters to most of us. Steel wheels. Cost $50 to $150 per wheel. Pros: cheaper, more durable. Cons: heavier, less attractive. Alloy wheels. Cost $100 to $1,000 plus per wheel. Pros: better performance, more attractive. Cons: more expensive, more fragile. Pro tip: alloy wheels can actually increase your vehicle's resale value. So think of it as an investment, not just an expense. Choosing your perfect wheel. Practical considerations. Your ideal wheel depends on several factors. Vehicle type recommendations. Performance cars. Go for alloy wheels. Off-road vehicles. Steel wheels are your best friend. Daily drivers. It depends on your budget and preferences. Climate considerations. Harsh winters. Steel wheels handle salt and rough conditions better. Mild climates. Alloy wheels shine in performance and looks. Maintenance and care. Quick maintenance tips. Steel wheels. Regular rust prevention, simple maintenance. Alloy wheels. Needs more specialized care, protection from curb damage. There's no universal best wheel. Your perfect will depends on your driving conditions, budget, performance needs, personal style. Want to make the best wheel choice for your ride? Keep watching, keep learning. Love this wheel breakdown? Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below with your wheel experiences. Which team are you? Team Steel or Team Alloy? Links to recommended wheel sets and buying guides are in the description below. Check them out and upgrade your ride smart.